everyone! Today we'll be unboxing or unbagging the Ipsy Glam bag for August 2020. Let's begin. So at the top here, there's add-ons that I received. You can always add add-ons to your order every month. So let's see. So there's two items that I got as add-ons. This is the Fix It Up setting spray from Koki Cosmetics. And this is a travel size, actually, a mini size, but the full size retails for $8. So this is what it looks like. And the other item I got as an add-on, I think this was an add-on, yeah, I think so, is Feminist. It's a Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Liquid Lipstick. And this one, the full size, this is a full size, it retails for $20. Let's see, okay. Let's swatch this. Okay, so it's this nude color. Okay. Now let's get into the bag itself. It's this holographic silver bag. Has Ipsy on the zipper. Let's see. Comes with this card, though they're not putting the information of what products you received anymore, so. But the theme is the future is yours. Okay. So the first product I see here is the choice item. I chose this. You get to choose one item in your bag every month. This is the Brogio Be Gentle Be Kind Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Hair Mask. I really like their hair products, especially if you have curly hair. They're good. And the full-size version of this retails for $36. The next item in here is this Kiss and Smink Matte Cream Lip Crayon in the color Tavarua. Okay. And this product retails for $20. Oops. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so this is a nude color as well. It's a little lighter than the Huda Beauty one, but they're in the same shade family. Okay. The next item is this Pixie by Petra Endless Silky Eye Pen in Matte Mulberry. So let's see. Oh my. Gotta open this first. Uh-oh. Just 1 second. Let me try to open this. Oh, please open, please. You know what, maybe we'll come back to this. This is so hard to open right now. Uh-oh. Well, okay. let's go on to the next product. The next product is this It Cosmetics Confidence in Your Beauty Sleep Night Cream. And the full-sized product, let's see, retails for $54. This is the mini one, mini version. Interesting smell. Yeah. And there's one last other item in here, which is the IBY Beauty Eyeshadow in Flower Child. And this one is a sample size, so it retails for $5. Let's see. Okay. This is what it looks like. I guess it can be used as a highlighter as well. It's supposed to be an eyeshadow. It's a light gold color. Okay. Let's try to open this one more time. Oh my, please open. They pack these so well. Just a second. Okay, I finally got it open. This is in the shade Mulberry, so let's see what it looks like. Okay, so it's this brown, a little bit of plum, I guess. There's a tiny bit of plum in there, but it's mostly brown eyeliner. Okay, finally. So that was the last item in the bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing or unbagging. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.